English teacher. So agriculture robots of or agribot deployed for agriculture purpose is the time to use in agriculture. Fruits picking robots are driverless tractor sprayer and chip shearing robots. In the case of pruning, weeding, spraying, and monitoring of orchards. Also, livestock applications. We need of automation. Automation in agriculture is very necessary because, firstly, by the year of 2042, the world population is projected to increase to 9 billion souls. Secondly, with traditional method of agriculture, some drawbacks like wastage of seeds, improper spraying of pesticides, on-crop soil standards get degrades. Also, food becomes harmful to human body in the future. In order to overcome all the above drawbacks of traditional agriculture and to become the agriculture fields modern, high-tech and fastest growing, and also in the future we will have lack of manpower for mainly uniformity, mechanization and automation in agricultural fields improves the productivity. Water irrigation methods like tricks, sprinkler by automation reduce the utilization of water. By automation process, crop calendar is maintained. For the program for robots, today design an automatic system we provide proper tracking through the white line following robot caution in which the robot distinguishes white and black on a dark surface and follows only the white track. To this concept, we are going to implement a white line on a farm where actually we need to work and remaining surface is treated as a black surface due to the warm brown shift color of the soil. This is a example. Working of robots, we provide delay to robot at equal distance to do the agricultural work like pesticide spraying, water supplying, plugging, dropping of seeds accurately and automatically. The pesticide liquid, which is contained by a tank, is came through the rubber tip to the tip of the DC motor. At that shaft of the motor, a fan blade is attached, which revolves at the light time of robot or in front of the chrome, reduces the contamination. Due to the revolution, the liquid gets sprayed on the crop. On the crop. The, for, the future stage is a big business. The World Bank say we will need to produce 50% more food by 2050 if the global population continues to rise at its current pace, but the effects of climate change could see crop yields falling by more than a quarter. So the autonomous tractors, ground-based sensors, flying drones, and enclosed hydroponic farms could all help farmers produce more food more sustainably at lower cost. For example, the precision pruning, but even today automation is increasing. Winemakers have used drones to inspect their vineyard for several years, waiting with high-definition cameras and sensors assessing crops and soil health. But in France, Burgundy region, a shortage of farm labor has led inventor Christophe Milov to develop a bean pruning robot called Walji. The machine learns as it goes and cuts and can cut or trim the grass around each wing. An over onboard solar powered battery gives 10 to 12 hours for charge. So with a change of battery, it can work day and night. The visual recognition is the biggest change or challenge, says Mr. Milo. Knowing where they make the cut is actually easy at night because the robot's lights can illuminate the plant but not its background. This is the case of robot lettuce. Japan's Fine Spirits automated vegetable factory in Kyoto, due to launch next year, could produce 30,000 lettuce a day. It spreads out instead of across undulating fields because in countries like Japan, where the land is actually a very scarce resource, it makes more sense to stack your production. After settling, which will be done by machines, watering, trimming, harvesting, on shelves stacked from floor to ceiling, automation has reduced labor costs by 50%, says Mr. Priest, and LED lighting developed especially for plant cultivation reduces energy costs by 30%. And growing vegetable in vertical farm means you can recycling 98% of the water. In the case of drones, we are stuck in this part. The future trends in automation, they are say the climate control, electronic development, feature automation, hydroponic control, software development, and irrigation management. Advantage of this kind of products: eco-friendly, reduce human effort, improves the productivity, uniformity of work, reduce the production cost, and is less operation cost. For other side, the disadvantages: high initial cost, requires knowledge about robot operator, reducing job opportunities, high maintenance costs, and suitable for farming in large